Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. For those that are just joining me, welcome to Sabz Garage. For those that have been subscribers, thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate you being part of this journey with me and following everything that I'm doing. I couldn't do it without you guys. All right, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. After the last track day, I decided to rearrange my garage because it started to get a little messy. It was a bit too cluttered, and I needed more working space because I've got some big ideas for the car, and I need as much working space as possible. So right now I'm going to show you the garage, so let's go. 180, there it is there, the baby. Tools. This bench, if you remember, was over there. It's now moved to here, which is great. It gives me a lot more working space on the side. I want to extend it, so I want to bring the bench out to here just to give me some more bench space, hide the compressor underneath. Got the tube bender, heaps of space at the front. I've got a racking mount over here, which is just like a 4-drawer rack. And what I did with that is I put all my tires under it. I just loaded it with some car parts and some other stuff, and I covered it with a sheet because it just doesn't really need to be seen. I'm going to put a banner over it, just a little bit more display. Heaps of room on the side. I've got a paint cabinet here, some tools, some more tools. I've got some more painting stuff up there. I've got some, some oils and stuff there. I've got my welder. I've got a gearbox here. We're going to get into that a little bit later. I'm going to tell you what happened, but leave that there. But other than that, heaps of room around the front and the back while the front and the rear bar are on and the roller door's closed. Now, I needed that very specifically while the roller door was closed. I was able to walk around the whole car because what I've got planned for it, I'm not going to be able to do it in a day. So I needed to make sure I had heaps of space and that I could do it while the roller door's closed. So that's that. Now, there's one other thing I need to show you, and which is what we're going to be doing today, which is something a little bit different. See up here, that section between both shelvings, there is something that I want to put there. Now, I got given a gift from my family, and that's been sitting in a box, and I'm like, all right, it's time now to hang it up, and this is what it is. How's this for a gift? Sabz Garage neon light. Like, that is dope. To me, that is unbelievable. Like, I could not thank my family enough for getting that for me. It was a full surprise. It was their addition to the garage, so it's going to go up there in that space there. But before we do that, I don't want to just hang it up like that. I want to make a frame for it because I wanted to keep it nice and sturdy and keep it solid. And yeah, I just want to make a frame for it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make the frame and hang it up. I've already marked where I'm going to cut, and then we're going to build it. So let's go.